Is going on, everybody? It is Larry here again for Leoy Systems. Another video I'm bringing to you today is about your reputation. Never, ever sacrifice your reputation for money. What do we mean by this? You create a business, your business is, you want to be associated with that, so you have a reputation, whether it's being somebody of high value, of high integrity, somebody who does right by the customer all the time, all those positive things. That's your reputation. That's what, people will know you as and want to continue to do business with you. But when you sacrifice those things, that integrity and doing right by the customer, just to make money, you're doing yourself a tremendous disservice. And in the long run, it's going to destroy your reputation and ultimately will destroy your business. Quick story, knew a very successful person in the healthcare field, did great in business, built up a very small store into a very large store, and wasn't enough. It was all about money now. Got themselves involved with some shady characters and started doing some illegal things, and it came back and it took everything away. Lost his house, lost his wife, lost his business, and lost the ability to provide for his family because it was about money. He was a great person, honest, had integrity, all those things, but wanted money. For whatever reason, needed this money and destroyed him. Destroyed his business and his life. So never sacrifice your reputation for money. Okay? Thanks.